Oh boy. Nice. Oh, I forgot how cool the car looks. Stop. I think we need to get a banner on this piece. Is it driving all right? You getting used to the coilovers?
Yeah, I got out of his driveway without scraping.
Nice. I still scrape in Dad's driveway, so it's all right.
I was really proud of myself.
We have got an extra 5.3 banner for Jeryn. All right, here we go. That's gonna be nice. It blocks out a lot of sun. So, past few videos over the past month or so, we've surprised Jeryn with the wide body kit for her Ford Focus. You guys are a little weird. Not all you guys. There's some weird people out there, and what I want to say first, I don't want to encourage anybody out there to send any more weird DMs. She's a human being. Don't send her some weird stuff, or I'll find you. She's got some pretty funny DMs, and I also wanted to do a Q&A with her just to hang out a little bit in front of her Ford Focus. I'm already so hot, I'm gonna change though. New shirt. Oh, let me show them the back real quick.
I can't even see what I'm filming right now, but
Here? Oh, that's
how you feeling?
Oh, cause you're on. You gotta do that right there, so now you can see.
Oh.
Do you look like Mom?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh. Oh. You look great.
Dance.
You look great.
I want to see. I don't even know what she's chosen. Some of these DMs, so I don't even know what we're about to read, but it's gonna be funny. What is your dream car?
Oh God, I don't know.
Do you have one?
I don't know. Right now, like, my favorite car is a Miata. I don't know why. I just really.
Miatas are fun.
They're so cute. I saw one driving here and I almost started screaming.
I've thought about getting one again. That'd be super fun.
I love them.
Will Jeryn get her own channel? A lot of people ask if you would make your own channel.
I can't edit, and I'm awkward.
You're not awkward.
I'm a little awkward.
I mean, I was awkward too, at one point in time. Hey, you don't have to like edit well. You could literally just like put it in a computer and just be like snip, 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 boom.
I don't even know what I do. What kind of content would I make?
I don't know. That's for you to figure out.
Make like vlogs. Just gonna go get an ice cream sandwich now. My everyday fast food journey.
Somebody wants to know, do you ever want to wrap the car? You ever want to wrap it? If so, what color?
Gray.
You want to do gray?
Yeah. I
She likes my R35's like Leonardo gray,
I really
which
like,
is pretty cool. I mean,
cool.
it's a cool color. Dream car, dream car, dream car. How do you feel about your newfound internet stardom?
I don't know.
To me, I never really cared. I'm also a guy, but like, is it weird for you to have so many people like watching you and know who you are?
No.
No.
I don't feel any different.
Yeah, I was just say for
really
me, it was
don't
just
care.
like, I don't know.
I feel
I'm
like
gonna
if-
be the same either way.
If some people got newfound internet stardom, they'd go insane.
You probably understand why people get all weird.
Yeah. No,
After it.
I won't get weird.
We'll have nitrous. Want some nitrous? You know, like Need for Speed or Fast and Furious when they flip the switch and it's like flames come out your exhaust. You go faster.
I know what you're talking about.
That's not actually how it works. But.
I've never watched Fast and Furious.
What?
I've never watched it.
All right, movie night
sorry.
soon. Movie
I'm
night
sorry.
soon, dude. I literally have Fast and Furious playing on repeat in my Skyline.
I want
Wow.
to watch it.
Wow.
There's also like that car anime with people that's on.
Initial D. That's right. I was like, what is that? I knew.
I'm going back to.
Are you finding some good ones?
I'm gonna go back.
Oh, so you've had some screenshots from a long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Do you still want a Kia Soul?
Oh my God! No, you wanted a VW Bug. You wanted a Beetle. No, you wanted a PT Cruiser when you were little.
I don't want to talk about it.
All you
Dark
said is,
time.
I want the hamster car.
I really liked hamsters at the time. I don't know.
Also, we want to know about your shoe collection. How many shoes do you have? Show them your kicks you got on right now.
There you go. There you go.
Are those the shattered backboards?
Yep.
Nice.
These are.
I don't know anything, but I know some things.
These are my most expensive pair of ones that I have.
I thought you had like the off-whites.
Those are ones.
Oh, those aren't ones? Oh.
I wish I had the off-white ones, but those are
Okay.
like multiple
Those are
$1,000.
so sick.
I think I have like 5 pairs of ones, 1 pair of off-whites. I'm trying to think of what other Jordans I have, but I literally only wear the ones. I have 1 pair of 4s. Do you even know what I'm saying?
No, I collect cars, not shoes. So you have a lot of shoes.
I have a lot of shoes.
Favorite anime?
Naruto.
Naruto.
Do you see my
I mean,
car?
that's true. You have
Do you see
Naruto
my
stuff
car?
everywhere. Somebody's asking if you wanted to do any interior mods to the car.
You're a
Those are
subwoofer.
Seats.
So, yes.
Seats would be pretty sick. Somebody wants to know if you want to drive the R35.
Yeah, it's not
You think-
manual, right?
No, it's fast though.
It's fast.
Have you ever been in it? Have you ever shown you how fast it is?
Yeah, when there was traffic and you made me want to poop myself.
Somebody said describe Evan, and then they also said how is Evan as a brother? Describe me. Smelly when I work on cars.
I haven't noticed any stank. You haven't given off any bad stank, so I wouldn't say you're stinky.
I'm doing pretty good right now. It's 100 degrees outside right now, and
Feels
I'm
like
still holding
104.
up.
Yeah, I'd say you're dope. You get the label dope. Sick.
That works for me.
Sicko mode.
Oh, what's the age gap? We're 8 years apart. Build her a Miata and build it together. It's gonna have to be manual.
I'll learn. If it's so cute. I just want a Heartmobile. A Miata
God.
Heartmobile.
Which one of my cars would you like to have? If you could take any of them, which one is your favorite?
I like the R35.
The gray one?
I like that one a lot.
It's my favorite too, so you can't have it. Sorry.
You don't like your Supra?
They're all my favorites, so I mean, whatever. Yeah, these are all pretty much the same comments, so I'm done. Those are my questions. Let's go to the DMs.
Am I sliding? And then a day later, not even a full day later, just forget about it. Sorry for disturbing you. It was August 28, 2018.
Wow.
And then I've gotten a couple where they send me like a soccer ball, a basketball, and then they say, "Oh shoot, my basketball rolled in here." While I'm here, you want to talk?
That's pretty smooth.
I've gotten a couple of those, and I chuckle every single time I get them.
Wow.
Hello, girl, listen, I have a friend who really likes you, and it would be very nice if you hit him up or respond to him. He says you're pretty AF, and please try to learn Romanian.
That's
You're
a lot
asking-
of things.
You're asking a lot. Please try to learn Romanian.
Hit up my boy and then go ahead and speak his language as well.
I can't even, there's no way I can vocalize this one. Emoji going into a door, going back out of the door. Wait, never mind. Going back into the door. Actually, you know what? Hey! I love that. May I suck your toes, please? And then I remember, this is the only screenshot I have. This is 2 years ago, but I remember they kept DMing me, please. Just the word please.
That is so weird, dude. You were 15
I
years
was
old.
15.
Dude.
Oh, see, look! It just kept going with please. There's so many
That is
different-
so weird.
I might
God,
just let it
these
happen.
are weird. This is making me feel weird now.
These are all from 2018 too.
Dude, it's
Shots
hot.
I have. And we're gonna go.
Literally feel sweat just
Recent
running down my
screenshots.
entire body right now.
A lot of people will DM me in Japanese, and they don't speak Japanese. I know they don't speak Japanese because I can tell. Well, like
Google Translate.
I don't
can tell if it's
understand.
Google Translated because like there's like a lot of like rules in Japanese, and Google Translate doesn't give you like all the rules. It's always this formal
Literal
literal
translation.
That's so funny.
translation. Yeah.
I respect shooting your shot, but I have never once in my life had any sort of desire to do any sort of these direct messages. I don't know what compels some people, but let me tell you, dude, it doesn't work.
I remember someone, like, I wouldn't answer them, so they started DMing me in Japanese.
English didn't work very well for me, so let's go ahead and do a different language.
Hi, Jeryn, I think you're cute. Haha, I'm so silly. Please notice me. I think I love you. Haha, let's FaceTime.
Wow.
It keeps going. Why am I actually kind of obsessed with you? Maybe I'm hallucinating, but I think you're adorable. I don't know, I'm stupid.
Maybe you need counseling.
I just want to know why he said, haha, I'm so silly. I'm so silly. This one says, Anata no art o misete. Show me your art.
Show me your art?
It
Is that
could be
supposed to
some-
mean something?
I don't know. I'm assuming, like, the stuff that I've painted.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
like,
we're gonna assume that he just means like, you know, drawings.
whenever
That's good. That's good for me. I like that. People say they drew pretty all the time, but they also say that you look like me. So does that mean that you think I am also pretty? Are you attracted to me?
you're beautiful.
'Cause that's weird.
You're beautiful. Alright.
That's weird.
Do that Snapchat filter of the girl.
Are you Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Cool earrings.
Do we look the same?
If you like my sister, that means you like me. And I got a hairy butt.
I never thought I looked
That's
like
gross. I look like if Jeryn got fat and started selling bedazzled pants on Etsy.
you. I love watching your face on YouTube and hope to
What about my
entertain
face?
you someday.
What about my face?
You could get Evan to give me a shout out to get the ball rolling.
Nope. Nope.
Half of my DMs too are like, say hi to Evan for me.
If you've ever been nice to my sister and said, say hi to Evan, and she didn't tell me about it, she ghosted you, but I just wanted you to know I'm here for you.
I'm so sorry.
Hello.
Look, this is what I'm talking about. I didn't reply. So he said in Japanese.
Some dude from Texas gonna try and send you DM with Japanese to just kind of get your attention. Is he using Translate for that?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, I figured that out. I figured that one out quite fast.
Dang.
It's so sad.
Simp! Rule of life. Don't be a simp. Quit being a simp.
I respect things like this. I'll help a girl out. I have a question. Has my boyfriend ever tried to talk to you? So I was like,
Poor
no.
girl, dude.
It doesn't ever say
Wow.
he's me. I can respect
That's sad
that.
though. He's like, dang. I think my boyfriend likes her more than me. Oh, that's heartbreaking.
Sad.
That's heartbreaking. But you know, us Shanks, Mr. Mrs. Steal your boy. Steal.
Mrs. Steal your boy.
We just steal. Wait, no, we don't. We're nice. We don't do anything bad. Hey, this dude does say you're really cute. He said, I know you'll never see this, but I hate when people do that. That's the worst thing. I know you're probably never going to reply to If I see that, I'm like, okay, then I'm definitely not going to reply. Don't do that, dude. Confidence, guys. Be like, hey.
If you don't have it, just fake it. Fake it till you make it, man, you know?
Hope you have an amazing day. You probably won't read this. Bro, stop doing that! I like the ones that are like, how far apart are those?
March 24th, and July 16th. You waited.
This dude waited.
You waited.
That's some patience, but sometimes persistence just doesn't always win. Well, that is it. What do you have? You had some decent advice the other day. What are you gonna give them? What are you gonna land on today?
I don't know if I can come up with anything else.
What do you got about these weirdos out there that are like simping hard? What do you gotta tell them?
I respect the simp. And hey, they're putting themselves out there. Put yourself out there.
All right. You know, in an appropriate way.
In an appropriate way.
In an appropriate way.
You know what? Something that's really been up in the empty brain lately. One thing people don't do is they take things for granted because they think it's gonna last forever. A lot of people, like, something happens, there's like a falling out between two people, and they're like, dang, I could have done so much more than what I already did do. Like, you can't change the past, but you can change the present.
Yup. Dang.
Like,
Look at that, dude. Look at that.
I'm 17 years old.
Woo! That was good. That's true, man.
'Cause
A
it'll
lot
be
of
too
people
late.
just like
It'll be too
just
late.
don't absorb what's going on and do their best right now, and then it's like they look back and you're like, damn, I could have just done so much better. Or I could have worked harder, I could have been nicer, could have been kinder, this and that. It's just like, be 100p right now.
100p.
That's all you need.
100.
That's all you need.
All the time.
100p.
100%.
Well, we read some juicy DMs, and hope you guys enjoyed the Q&A. If you guys have any more questions, we like to do Q&A stuff on our Instagrams. Also, if I find out that any of you send her a DM that's bad, I will find you.
That's scary.
You guys only see nice Evan.
Gosh.
You guys take it easy.
Yo, this is kind of fun.
Give him a little piece and then hit the camera for the end of the video.
I feel like I damage it.
No, you got it. You got it. Just don't like smack it over. That works.
There you go.
All right, now you know what I say at the end of the videos?
You got 2 videos right in front of you to watch. Clutch is scratching on the door very violently right now.
Yep. Always gotta put a round on there. Watch those 2 videos and subscribe, boys.
Bye.